Alright guys, so I'm doing a review of this real Mare Mexican style light tuna salad. So there it is. You guys want to read the nutrient panel, here that is. And this was on sale, so here are the ingredients, but the ingredients aren't the greatest, so how could you have natural and artificial flavor? That's kind of weird. So anyways, we're going to do a quick taste test. This was on sale, so I tried their other one, actually was pretty good, so alright, let's open this up. Alright, so that's what it looks like. Let's do a taste test here. There we go. Actually, it's really good. It's like, I don't know what they put in there, but it's got nice flavor. It's well seasoned. Yeah. It's got a little bit of heat to it, and it's got like nicely salted meat. Yeah, definitely check it out. If you have questions, guys, post below, subscribe to the channel.